Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the device off and removing the case. This prevents shorting and gives you clear access. Once done, inspect the button area closely with a magnifier for dirt, lint, or visible damage, because these are the most common culprits. Make sure to note whether the button feels stuck or loose. That guides the next step. You'll also prepare small tools like a plastic pry and Phillips screwdriver so you can open the housing safely without causing further damage. You gently remove the back panel and keep screws in order to avoid mistakes during reassembly. This reduces repair time and stress. Once inside, locate the volume button assembly and follow its flex cable to the connector. You're checking for a loose or lifted contact. If connectors look dirty, use 90% isopropyl on a swab to clean them. You want quick evaporation to avoid damage. Then reconnect gently, seat the cable fully, and test the button response before sealing up completely. You now decide whether to replace the switch or simply reassemble. If the physical switch or flex cable is cracked or corroded, replacement is necessary because cleaning won't restore broken traces. Once you swap the part, reassemble the device in reverse order and test the lower volume button before snapping the case fully closed so you can reopen if needed. If it still fails, make sure to perform a software reset to rule out firmware issues, and if that fails, seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.